So here we have in this video I'm going to show you how to how to install these adjustable chimney cap. It's doesn't really come with much. It's just a fully assembled chimney cap, and all you will need is one wrench. Need a wrench to undo this. It's like 17 millimeter. 17 millimeter. And then these are the adjustable legs. So you gotta drop them in. Now that they're dropped in, you can just fit it inside. So now that they're dropped in, we're just gonna squeeze them tight. That one's on tight. That one's on tight. See how these fold in? They butt up. They squeeze hard. But we're gonna sorry for the bad quality video. I'm barely starting on my YouTube stuff, but my videos will get better as time proceeds. One day I'll have enough for a GoPro. I'll be able to talk and show you guys through these things. So that's that. It's nice and tight, nice and secure. And then this one just drops right over. If I need to, I can drop this. This one just goes right over. Washer and a bolt. But yeah, it's 17, and that's it. That's all there is to redoing your chimney cap. Thank you. Like and subscribe.